Hello everyone, welcome to Think Academy. I'm Crystal. Here we want to solve the equation 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus 9,899. Maybe I can add 9 to 99 and then use the result to add 999 and so on. Yes, I can, but it's too slow. Let me check the numbers again. Oh, there are too many nines. Wait, nice! We're really close to 10, 100, 1,000, and 10,000. And these are round numbers. Yay! I love round numbers because the calculation of the round number is super easy. Then from 9,999 to 10,000, which number do we need? Yes, 1. But where's 1 from? We cannot just wait for 1 knocking our door. Maybe we can borrow some 1 from other nights. Here we usually break down the smallest number. So here I will break first number 9 into 3 ones, 1 6. Yeah, we have ones now. So then we can use 1 to add 99, 999, and 1,899. Which is equal to 6 plus 100 plus 1,000 plus 10,000, which is equal to 11106. We got the answer. Alright, that's all for today. If you like math and want to know more fun facts in math, you can start to follow us.